Creating custom views in your catalog will allow you to organize your catalog cost items, as well as help you build the basic building blocks of a report. Here on my catalog, I can go over to the gear icon, click in, and then we have a side drawer that reveals 4 different tabs to organize all of my cost items here. I'm going to start off by going into fields. Here I get to decide what fields, whether they're automatic fields or custom fields, are turned on and what order they're in. So here I'm showing an image if they have one, the name, description, and some other basic information. If I keep scrolling, I can see all my other options available to me, including down at the bottom, all of these custom fields. So I can also decide room is turned on. And then if I go on over to sort, I can choose any field and then sort in ascending or descending order the entire view. And then over in filters, I can include or exclude certain cost items in this view. So if I just want to be looking at my kitchen items, I can do that using filters. I'm going to go plus filter, and then I'm going to choose the field of name. And I'm going to say if the name contains kitchen, then I want to include it. I'm going to click apply, but a cost item might also have something about kitchen in the description as well. So I'm going to say or. With filters, you can use and or. And will give you another filter and will show you cost items that have both filters applied to it, or will show you cost items that have either filter applied to it. So I'm going to say or and look up description contains kitchen and then click apply. And now we have a whole lot more items now because anything related to kitchen in the cost item name or description is now showing up. And then finally, let me show you details. Here at Details, you can use Group By to go ahead and organize your data even further. I'm going to go into Group By and group by my cost code. Now that I'm grouping by cost code, I'm further seeing my kitchen items under appliances or demolition or electrical or whatever cost code they might be in. I can take this one step further and go down to View. We're currently looking at all these items as a list, which is great, but if I choose to go into Kanban and click Apply, now I'm seeing them organized like before, but in this really great visual way. Whenever you're ready to save a view, you can save or save as. If you click save, you will override your current view. If you click save as, you'll get a pop-up to name this new view. So I'm going to go in and say kitchen items. Now it's saved, and I can go to the top left, go into my view dropdown, and see it here. I can move it from my personal view to my organizational view by clicking convert to organization view. And when I go back to the dropdown, if I hover over this view, I can then click on the star to make this view my default view. If you have any further questions about your catalog, check out our help desk to see the articles and videos we have there. Plus, you can always reach out to your customer success manager or contact us through email, support@jobtread.com. Thank you.